on your way, buddy? Hey, you little world traveler? You're supposed to be asleep.
We're here.
Yay!
Long awaited.
Is that Ollie? Is that your Ollie?
Is that Ollie, Bonnie?
Oh,
Ollie's
go for
touching.
your face, Bon.
Everyone touches everyone.
Very proud of right now.
Ready for your first swim? Whoa! Whoa!
Half my hair in your fists.
Women glowing, men plunder. Can't you hear the thunder? Said you better run, you better take cover. Buying bread from a man in Brussels.
We're at Cleveland Wildlife Park, and that noise is Oliver, not an animal.
What the call of the kangaroo?
Calling out to the kangas. Hello, little wallaby. Bye, little wallaby.
Can't you hear the thunder?
Henry left me in the emu enclosure all by myself.
Sorry, fend for yourself, darling. Ah, a bin chicken. Ollie's lost a sock somehow.
Laying in a den in Bombay with a slack joy.
Bit better.
Oh my god, they're so cute.
And I sit in
Like in the grass?
trying to tempt me.
Look at you sitting up so well.
Because I come from the land of plenty. And he said, do you come from a land down under? Where women glow and men plunder.
You get ready for your first boat ride?
Can't you hear the thunder? I said you better run, you better take cover.
Do you like that fan? It's all I touch it.
And we'll never drink alone.
Isn't that good, bub? Stealing. That's called stealing.
Do you come from a land down under? Where women glow and men plunder.
Watch out for the snakes.
Can't you hear the thunder? I said you better run, you better take cover. 'Cause I'm living in the land down under. So you better run, you better take cover. So you better run, you better take cover. So you better run, you better take
Give us a
cover.
spin. Turn around.
So you better run, you better take cover.
Heading home.